TII is very pleased to partner with the OLUS today to bring together almost 300 delegates to the Transport Ireland conference, and we were especially pleased to be joined by Minister O'Brien and Minister Cemmins at the beginning of the conference, setting out clearly that the focus now is on delivery over the next number of years. Transport plays such an important part, not just in transporting people, contributing to the economy and society, but also playing important roles in so many other areas such as housing. And I think everybody at today's conference is energised around the opportunity in transport over the coming years.
My presentation today was talking about how Transport Infrastructure Ireland is implementing a gender lens onto our in our sustainable transport projects. This work started 7 years ago, and really it was a look back on what has happened over the last 7 years. We started with the Travelling in a Woman's Shoes report 7 years ago, and what has happened since.
I talked about Luas Finglas and how the gender lens was applied to that, and I think it went really well because we went from the whole strategic level earlier in the conference to the detail of how that's carried out, which we got good feedback from, and I think it shows how we're actually doing the work, which is fantastic. So it was an enjoyable day.
Delighted to be here at Transport Ireland conference today in Croke Park. It's an amazing venue. There's a huge amount of energy in the stadium today and a lot of delegates. I did a joint presentation this morning with Marcello Corsi from the NTA to talk about firstly the challenges which we have from an asset management perspective for the Luas Light Rail network in Dublin, and also then Marcello talked about really the plans to expand the light rail network in Dublin and also into Cork. So I think we got a good reception, and there was a lot of interest in the funding packages that we have agreed now with the NTA for funding asset management, and also the progress that we're making on the new light rail schemes in Dublin and in Cork.
At Transport Ireland conference today, I was part of a panel discussion on what innovative systems Ireland should be focusing on in the future. So today we heard a lot about some amazing transport projects, rail projects, metro projects, and lots of really good things happening, producing new connected and integrated types of infrastructure. But we also have a large asset in Ireland at the moment worth about 33 billion. So what are we going to do about that, and what are our challenges facing us? So a big challenge that we are going to face in Ireland in the coming years is connected and shared mobility. So our transport system needs to be able to talk to that system. It needs to be able to talk to us, so that's going to require investment, and it opens up huge opportunities for our existing network to improve road safety with more proactive ways to predict collisions, and also new ways to manage our asset and understand our asset much better at a deeper level.